So this Tellervo tutorial is going to show you the graphing features within software. So we begin by opening one of our series. And we can graph any of our data using either the graph button on the toolbar or using the option from the graph menu. So that brings up the main graph window. Now, using the buttons on the toolbar or the options from the menu, we can customize the view in a number of ways. So, for instance, we can show or hide the vertical axes. We can show or hide the grid lines, or the label for the series. We can also manipulate the axes themselves. So here we can zoom in and out. And we also have a number of styles of graphs as well. So along with the standard graph, we can do a semi-log plot or a tooth plot as well. So obviously one of the main reasons for doing graphing is so that you can compare your different series together. So to do that, we need to use the View Components button. So you can see here we just have our single component at the moment. But if we click the Add Series button, we can then go ahead and search for the extra series that we want to add to the page. So let's just add a few on here. If you can click the down arrow, we have a list of the series that we want to add. And you can see they're being pulled in now. So they're in the list here on the right hand side in the components list, and by selecting these we can change the colors as well if we like. So some additional features is we can do a spread baseline if we want to separate out multiple graphs on a series on the plot. Another of the key features is also that we can drag and drop these graphs around. So the idea is that we have, essentially like a virtual light box. So many people like to use a visual match for their series to check their cross dates. So doing this, we can it's basically implementing like a virtual light box where we can just drag them around and see and do our comparisons. It's also possible to export these graphs as well. So in the File menu, you can export any of these plots either as a PNG image file or as a PDF file as well. Okay, thanks very much.